Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your first time seeing my beautiful face. Hello, my name is Yuki, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by again. I love you. Mwah. Yeah, so in today's video we're going to be doing a very simple everyday look. Not everybody likes a full face beads, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve that look. Maybe for if you're a 9-to-5 girly, or you just really like a very simple glam, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve that. But before we jump into the video, we got a PR package from this company called Eyes. It's a contact lens company, and they are currently offering all of my viewers a 15% discount for every time you make a purchase using my code. The link to the website is going to be in my description box, and you can definitely use the YUK code when you want to check out, and you get a 15% discount. And I'm really excited to show you guys what it looks like, especially if you're a contact lens girl. This is definitely for you. Okay, wow. Okay, so they sent me, the first one is pink green. That's this one. It's very beautiful. Look at the color. The second one is called Paya Beach. That's what it looks like. The third one is Autumn Vibes, and the last one is Sweet Peony. It also comes with, I'm going to be opening it up for you guys to see. This is Sweet Peony. I might wear this one, guys. It's been a long time since I wore contact lenses, but I'm going to try. It also comes with tweezers and applicators, and this is the tweezer. I suppose this is the applicator, so you use this to apply the contact lens like we're going to do in a minute. So it comes with a solution inside. It also comes with this. It's a lens case. Guys, how cute is this? Can you guys see this? It comes in different colors. So I was sent this green one as well. Look how cute it is. So you just pop your contact lens in here with the solution, and you can keep it safe for when next you want to put it on. So yeah guys, let us attempt to wear one of these contact lenses.
One eternity later.
So guys, I have put on the contact lens. This is in the shade Autumn Vibes. Do not forget to use my discount code. It's YUK, and the link to the website is going to be in the description box, so you should definitely check it out. You get 50% discount when you use my code. So yeah, let's dive straight into the video. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to moisturize my skin. You guys already know I use the Snail Motion Essence moisturizer. I love it so much. I use it every day actually, because I love the way my skin looks. So I'm just going to use that all over my face. My hands feel very dry. I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty body butter to just moisturize my hands. If you have not seen my review on this product, you should definitely check out my last video. The link is going to be in my description box as well. So yeah, then I'll be priming my face using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. We're going for a very simple look today, for an everyday look. So I'm just blending this into. Today I'm going to be doing my makeup in a different way. I'm going to be starting with my brows. I usually do my brows last, but I'm going to be starting with my brows today. So first I'm going to do is I'm using the NYX brow glue on my brows, and I'll just use this to tame my brows, to brush it upwards just like this. I'll be using the Huda Beauty setting powder. I'll just use this to set my brows. Fantastic. So that is done. Next I'll go into my concealer. This is the Born This Way concealer in butterscotch. I'll just take a little bit on my hand. And then we'll just go into a brown eyeshadow for the front of my eyeshadow. I'll just use this shade first. Now for foundation, I'll be using the L'Oreal True Match foundation. This is in the shade Cappuccino N8, and we're going for a very light coverage, nothing too serious. This shade here, just tap a little bit just on top of my cheekbones, just like this. Okay. Beyond Beauty lipstick. Just going to take just a little bit, not so much. Just that's there. It's Vaseline lip balm, like that. This look was actually very fast compared to my other looks that I have done on my channel, and I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoy watching. Please let me know the kind of content you enjoy watching. Is it makeup content or vlogs or the interview session that I recently started, just going around asking people what they think about makeup products and beauty standards that are trending at the moment. I feel like I really enjoyed watching that video. If you have not seen it, what are you waiting for? It's the video before the video I posted before this video. Yes. So you should check it out. I hope you enjoy. I'll be using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray. Guys, we're done with this look. I'm just going to fix my hair and I'll be back. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this look. We started off saying that we're going to do a natural glam, but this looks like a bridal makeup at the end of the day. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I hope you were able to learn a thing or two. And yeah, so guys, we've come to the end. Basically, this is the finished look. I added some colors to the hair, which made it look it added this beauty to the look, and I really love it. So I guess this can pass for either a bridal look or maybe a bridal team. You're part of the bridal team, or you are the chief bridesmaid, or you are the maid of honor. You can definitely do this makeup. But yeah, this is the end of the tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching, and do not forget my contact lenses are from yukiosagiede. You can get the link in my description box. Guys, you can see how beautiful this lens looks on me, and I am so I am so in love. Oh my god. So guys, remember you get a 15% discount when you check out using my code. You can use the code YUK, and the link is going to be in my description box, so you should definitely check it out. And yeah, thank you.